Good morning, children. Welcome back to your English class. In our last class, we started with English grammar, and the first topic we did was nouns. Today also, we will continue with the same topic and we will learn more about nouns. But before we move ahead, let's do a quick recap of the last session. In our last class, we learned what are nouns. Nouns are naming words. We also learned that nouns are names of people, places, animals, and things. Now, let's take a few examples of nouns and try to find out whether they are names of people, names of places, names of animals, or names of things. Let's take the first example. Book. Book is a noun. Now let's see, is book the name of a person? No. Is book the name of a place where we go? No. Is book the name of an animal? No. Is book the name of a thing? Yes, book is the name of a thing that we read. Next is boy. Boy is a noun. Is boy the name of a person? Yes, boy is the name of a person. Is boy the name of a place where we go, a place we visit? No. Is boy the name of an animal? No. Is boy the name of a thing? No. Boy is the name of a person. Lion. Lion is a noun. Is lion the name of a person? No. Is lion the name of a place? No. Is lion the name of an animal? Yes, lion is the name of an animal. Park. Park is a noun. Now tell me, is park the name of a person? No. Is park the name of a place where we go? Yes, park is the name of a place where we go and play with our friends. So park is a place. Banana. Banana is a noun. Is banana the name of a person? No. Is banana the name of a place? No. Is banana the name of an animal? No, it is not. Is banana the name of a thing? Yes, banana is the name of a thing that we eat. It is a fruit, a thing that we eat. Next is dog. Dog is a noun. Is dog the name of a person? No. Is dog the name of a place? No. Is dog an animal? Yes, dog is the name of an animal. What is this? This is a hospital. Hospital is a noun. Is hospital the name of a person? No, it is not. What is a hospital? Hospital is a place where we go when we fall sick. So, is hospital the name of a place? Yes, hospital is a place. Now, who is this? This is a teacher. Teacher is a noun. Now tell me, who is a teacher? Is teacher the name of a person? Yes, teacher is the person who teaches us in school. So, teacher is a person. Ball. Ball is a noun. What do we do with a ball? We play with it. So, is ball the name of a person? No. Is ball the name of a place where we go? No, it isn't. Is ball the name of an animal? No. Is ball the name of a thing? Yes, ball is a thing with which we play. School. School is a noun. Now tell me whether school is a person, a place, an animal, or thing. Is school a person? No. Is school a place? Yes, school is a place where we go to study. Who is this? Doctor. Doctor is a noun. Who is a doctor? When do we go to the doctor? We go to the doctor when we fall sick. So, is doctor the name of a person? Yes, doctor is the name of this person who treats us when we fall sick. So, doctor is a person. And the next is cow. Cow is a noun. Is cow the name of a person? No. Is cow the name of a place that we visit? No. Is cow the name of an animal? Yes, cow is an animal that gives us milk. Now children, from all the above examples, we saw that teacher, boy, doctor are all names of people. So nouns are names of people. Now, can you think of a few more nouns that are names of people? Okay, now park, school, hospital are all names of places. So nouns are names of places. Now try and think of a few more nouns that are names of places. Cow, dog, lion are all names of animals. So nouns are names of animals. See if you can name a few more nouns that are names of animals or birds. And we also saw that ball, book, banana are all names of things. Ball is the name of a thing with which we play. Book is a thing we read. Banana is a thing we eat. So nouns are names of things. So now it's your turn to think of a few more nouns that are names of things. From all these examples, we learned that nouns are names of people, nouns are names of places, nouns are names of animals, and nouns are names of things. We saw so many examples of nouns. Now let's try and arrange them in a table. Here there are so many different nouns given, and here there is a table. The first column is people. So if a noun is a name of a person, we write it under people in this column. All the nouns that are names of places, we will write here under places. All the nouns that are animals or birds, we will write in this column, and all the nouns that are names of things will come here in this column. Let's take the first noun. Lion. Is lion the name of a person? No. Is lion the name of a place? No. Is lion an animal? Yes. So we put lion under animals. And here we put a cross on the word lion because we have already written it. Next is banana. Is banana name of a person? No. Place? No. Animal? No. Is banana a thing? Yes, it is a thing we eat. So we write banana under things and we put a cross. Next is dog. Where will dog come? Will it come under people? No. Places? No. Animals? Yes, dog is an animal. So we write dog under animals and we put a cross. Next is teacher. Teacher is the name of a person who teaches us in school. So we will put teacher under people and again we cross it. Let's go to the next one. That's a ball. Is ball a person? No. A place? No. An animal? No. Thing? Yes. Ball is a thing we play with. So ball will come here and cross. Next is cow. What is a cow? Person? No. Place? No. Cow is an animal. So where will we write cow? We will write cow under animals. And let's put a cross. School. What is a school? School is a place where we go to study. So where will we write school? School comes under places. Okay. Doctor. Who is a doctor? Doctor is a person to whom we go when we fall sick. So we will put doctor under people and cross. Okay, next is book. What is a book? It is a thing we read. So book will also come under things. Cross. Boy. Is boy the name of a person? Yes, it is. So boy will come in the first column under people. Let's put a cross. Next is a park. Park is a place where we go and play with our friends. So park comes under places. And the last is hospital. Hospital is a place where we go when we fall sick. So hospital comes under places. And let's cross the last word. So children, did you see? It is so easy to arrange the nouns in this type of a table under people, places, animals and things. So what did we learn today? We learned that nouns can be names of people, places, animals and things. In our next session, okay, first prep work. Prep work means homework. Today's prep work, you have to complete page number 3 in your grammar book, in your everyday English grammar and composition book. When you open to page number 3, this is what you will see. Naming words. Here there are some pictures given and you have to name them. Like in the first one, it says, name these things. First one is done for you. It's a ball. Now you have to write the names of other 2 pictures. Second is name these people. First one is a doctor, which is already written. You have to name the other 2 pictures. Number 3, name these places. First one is done, a shop. Now you have to write the names of other 2 pictures. And number 4, name these animals. First one, a cow. Now you have to name the other 2 animals. Children, I will be sending an answer key for this page so you can check whether your answers are correct or not. Now, in our next session, we will be doing a few exercises from the English grammar book, that is this book, Everyday English Grammar and Composition. So, before our next class, be ready with this English grammar book and a sharpened pencil so we can start doing the exercises. So, thank you children, and see you in the next session.